Hey, if you guys are looking for a fast recipe this summer, something that you don't have to turn your oven on for, I recommend that you Google on my website, summertime spaghetti. It's a super fast recipe and it's really hearty and it's done in a matter of minutes in the microwave. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take 3.5 cups of chicken broth or chicken stock, and you're going to put it either in the rock crock or the cranberry covered baker. Then you're going to take a lemon, and I've already zested. You can see here, you're going to zest about a tablespoon of lemon, and you want to make sure that you don't get into the white pith because that's the bitter portion of the lemon. Then you're going to cut your lemon in half, put it here in your citrus press, and you're going to squeeze in here until you have about 1/4 cup. I already did the other half of this lemon as well. And then here's the best part. You're going to take a pound of spaghetti and you're going to take it and you're going to crack it right on your countertop before you open it up so you don't have all those pinging pieces of spaghetti going everywhere. And you're going to put that in your pan, and you're going to microwave this for about 6 to 11 minutes. We're going to stir it halfway through, so we're really going to do it about 12 minutes. So 6 and then stir, 6 and stir. When it comes out, we are going to add cherry tomatoes, we're going to add some broccoli, we're going to add the zest and some pre-cooked chicken to it. I'm going to grate up some fresh Parmesan cheese. We're going to microwave that for about 4 minutes. That'll cook the vegetables, and dinner's done. So dinner will be done in about 16 minutes. So make sure you Google the recipe. Thanks!